Good afternoon. Today, the committee will consider the nomination of Roselyn Tso of Oregon to be the Director of the Indian Health Service at the Department of Health and Human Services. President Biden nominated Ms. Tso for this position on March 10th, 2022. Before we begin, I'd like to welcome Ms. Tso and thank her and her family for joining us today. This hearing is an important step in carrying out the Senate's constitutional duty to provide advice and consent. It's an opportunity to learn about how, if confirmed, Ms. Tso plans to carry out and uphold the United States Trust's responsibilities to provide American Indians and Alaska Natives with quality health care services, improve operations and address challenges facing the Indian Health Service, advocate for all Native communities, including the Native Hawaiian community, across the administration. And because the director of IHS is more than just a manager of a multi-billion-dollar budget and over 15,000 full-time federal employees. The director is the most senior Senate-confirmed official in Native health, charged with developing IHS healthcare policy, respecting tribal sovereignty, and promoting tribal self-determination. All are key to fulfilling the agency's mission to raise the health outcomes of Native communities. Ms. Tso, a citizen of the Navajo Nation, has a nearly 40-year career at IHS. She served at all levels of the agency. In 1983, she took her first position with IHS as a receptionist, and over time worked her way up to her current position as director of the Navajo service area. Ms. Tso's administrative and operational experience as a longtime career IHS employee has the potential to benefit Indian country for years to come. The committee has received numerous letters from tribes and tribal organizations in support of Ms. Tso's confirmation, and I have made them all part of the record. I look forward to considering this important nomination and to working with the vice chair and my colleagues to move this nomination expeditiously through our committee. Senator Hoeven, who is serving as vice chair today, is en route, and when he comes, we will recognize him for an opening statement, but we'll move the committee along as if Senator Cantwell does not have an opening statement, we'll move the hearing along. And I'll now turn to President Nez of the Navajo Nation to introduce our nominee. President Nez.